So they tell me that you're looking for a girl like me. I find that part so funny. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am
Remy Madison.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time that I upload. Check me out on all my socials. They will be linked down below. I also have a podcast and have launched RM virtual courses, also linked down below.
So for today's video, I will be teaching you how to do Shakira's Girl Like Me choreography.
I definitely recommend checking out my Running Man tutorial as well as my Charleston tutorial before trying this one.
Let's get into this choreography.
These hips don't lie, baby.
The first step of this routine is the single side Polly Pocket shuffle. To break down this move, I'm just going to show you the Running Man. This is a variation of the Running Man. If you have no idea how to do the Running Man, I suggest you check out my Running Man tutorial before watching this video. But we're going to start with the basic Running Man. So you're going to stand straight, and then you're going to pick up one of your legs, piking it, making a triangle shape with your knee. Then you're going to bend both your knees, popping them out. This is what it looks like from the front. This is just a regular Running Man. The Polly Pocket Running Man is just the same thing essentially as the regular Running Man, except you are going to twist your hips out to the side. So instead of your foot coming straight through and down, it's going to twist and move across your body. So here is a closer look at the regular Running Man. So this is your base Running Man, and then you move into the Polly Pocket Running Man. The Polly Pocket is the same thing, except instead of extending your foot forward in a straight line, you're going to twist your hips, extending it across your body and landing on your front heel. Continuing on with this first part, now we're going to focus on the hand. So as we're doing this diagonal Polly Pocket Running Man, with our hands, we are going to be taking the hand that is opposite to the leg that is doing the Polly Pocket in front, and that is going to be shooting upwards, and the hand that is on the same side as the front foot is going to be shooting downwards. Now I noticed what she did is she took two fingers and pointed them in both directions. From here, moving into the next step, she does the Polly Pocket onto the other side. Now, in order to do that, you're going to do the Polly Pocket on the first side that you did, and then you're going to bend both your knees and then twist your body so that the back leg is now up in a piked knee position and you're facing to the front. So you bend both your knees, then you jump into the center, lifting the back leg so that it's in a knee position. Now you're going to twist your hips and pop out into the Polly Pocket to the other side. So just try that quick. So here are the first two moves put together. Notice as we switch to the other side, we also switch our hands to match. The next step, so we start with our one Polly Pocket to the center, twist to the other side. You're going to shift the weight to your front leg, lifting your back leg up, and then you're going to shift the weight to your back leg, lifting your front leg up. So she does this sort of little two-step. So she does front, back, back. So let's put that together. So to one side, pop to the center, switch the other side, then switch your weight to the front, to the back, to the front, and to the back. So here is that full foot-step combo up close. So once we do our second Polly Pocket and we shift our weight to the front, back, instead of landing back on the front, you're going to swing the front leg around, tucking it behind the left leg. So it's sort of ending you up in a ballet position. So as you can see, we land in a ballet plie position. From there, you're going to click your heels out. Then you're going to take the other leg, bring it behind. So our front foot is up. We are going to swing it around, tuck it behind our new front leg in a plie position. We're going to pop our heels out, keeping the weight on our toes. Then we're going to take the other leg, swing it around, same thing. So our front leg on the second Polly Pocket is going to swing around. So as it's in the air, it's going to swing around, come around the other side, going behind the new front leg into a ballet plie stance. Then you're going to shift the weight onto both of your toes and click your heels up into the air, keeping the weight on your toes. Then you're going to take your new leg and swing it around the other one, landing back in a ballet plie position. So try it again, swinging it around, tucking it behind your left leg in this sense, pop your heels out, and then switch your feet. If you're still struggling with this move, this is called the Charleston, and I have a specific tutorial for the Charleston on my channel, so be sure to check that out. Here are all the steps we learned so far put together. At the end of doing your what is called the Charleston, which is what we're doing here, you land with a jump. So this is the second move put together, what we have so far. So once you do the 2 Charlestons, you're just going to jump both your feet, bring the foot that was in front together, jump, land, and this is where the really fun kick comes in. So we go Polly Pocket, Charleston, jump feet together, kick. So from the 2 Charlestons, you land with your feet together. Your arms are going to be by the side of your head, kind of making an elbow point. Then as you kick your leg up, you're going to drop your hands to your side. Moving on to the next step. So from the jump, we're going to bring our hands up, kick while dropping our hands down. Instead of landing your foot flat, you're going to bring the foot that kicked, tuck it behind the other foot, resting the weight on your back toe. The opposite hand of the leg that kicked will come up to your head and salute. And the arm that is in the same leg as the leg that is now tucked behind the other leg will just rest on your hip. So once we kick and land in the first salute, she switches the weight over, jumping from the other leg and then back into a double hit. So going from the kick, we're going to drop our hands, kick up, then that leg that just kicked is going to tuck behind the other one, resting on its toe. Your hand will come up to your head, salute, and hand on your hip. Then you're going to jump 1, 2, and then on the third jump you will do a double head nod to one side. Then we're going to switch, so your opposite hand will salute and the opposite hand will be on the hip without the feet switching. Then the feet will switch. We're going to hop to the other side and we're going to do the same thing and switch the weight to our other foot. And 1, switch back, 2, then we're going to switch again, 3, double. So I'll show you the footwork up close. It's pretty easy here. We're just jumping from one foot to the other, and as we are jumping, we're switching the weight to our opposite leg, tucking the leg that's in the air behind the leg that is landing. Here's what we've got so far. Polly Pocket, back front, Charleston, jump, kick, salute, salute, double, double, salute, salute, double, double. So they tell me that you're looking for a girl like me. So you tell me that you're looking for a girl like me. On to the final step of this choreo section. So from the 3 salutes one side, 3 salutes the other side, you're going to switch. So both your hands are on your hips. You're just going to bring your leg in front and you're going to pop out your knees while tilting your head to the side. So I'll show you from this side. Salute, salute, double, double, salute, salute, double, double. Bring your back leg in front, pop your knee out, and tilt your head to one side, the other side, and the other. So salute, salute, double, double, salute, salute, double, double. Bring your leg around, hands to your hip, tilt, tilt, tilt. So I can't put the song or I'll be copyrighted, but this is it. Looking for a girl like me, so they tell me that you're looking for a girl like me.
And that is it for the Shakira Girl Like Me shuffle dance tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you were able to get the choreography. If you do any cool dances, tag me. I would absolutely love to see it. Again, if you're looking for more shuffle tutorials, I have a bunch. I teach you how to do the running man, the cowtail, rocking, the Charleston, and so much more in my shuffle tutorial playlist. I'm also uploading 2 times a week now, so be sure to look out for my videos on Wednesdays and Friday afternoons. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in a few days in my next video. Love you so much. Bye!